In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Manychat with Activecampaign via Zapier. This process is a fantastic way to streamline your marketing automation, and I'm here to guide you through it in just 5 minutes. Let's jump right in by heading over to Zapier. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the login button. Give that a click. If you're like me and prefer using your Google account for a seamless sign-in experience, go ahead and choose that option. It's straightforward and secures your access across different apps. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Zapier home screen. Now, direct your attention to the top section and locate the Create button. Clicking this will start the process of setting up a new Zap, which is what Zapier calls their automated workflows. Once there, select Zaps from the menu. This will lead you to the editing page, where all the magic happens. The first thing you need in your new Zap is a trigger event, so click on Trigger. In the search bar that appears, type in Manychat. After typing, click on the Manychat icon to add it as a trigger app. You'll see a list of events pop up. Here, you want to choose an event to initiate your automation. In this case, select New Subscriber. This will allow your Zap to trigger whenever there's a new subscriber in Manychat. Now, it's time to connect your Manychat account to Zapier. You'll do this by clicking on Sign in to Manychat. Once signed in and connected, you must ensure everything works smoothly, so click on Test. Zapier will verify the connection, ensuring it's ready to go. Having set up the trigger, it's now time to establish the action. Navigate to the Action option. In the same flow as before, type in Activecampaign to find the app, click on the Activecampaign icon. Just like with the trigger, you have to select an event here, type Create and then select Create or Update Account. As with Manychat, you'll need to sign into Activecampaign through Zapier. Once signed in, a test action ensures your newly created Zap functions perfectly. Finally, it's time to publish your Zap so it can start working in the background and streamline your workflow. Go ahead and click on the Publish button. With your Zap published, you are all set up. Thanks for watching this step-by-step guide on connecting Manychat with Activecampaign using Zapier. Ensure everything is working as expected, and enjoy the enhanced efficiency of your integrated setup. Until next time, keep zapping your way to better marketing automation.